10 baking soda recipes to boost your weight loss. Let me paint you a picture. You've tried countless diet fads, joined gyms, jumped, skipped, hopped, and maybe even somersaulted into the elusive world of weight loss. Ah, the battle with the bulge. We've all been there, haven't we? Picture this, a secret ingredient hiding right in your kitchen that might be the answer to your weight loss woes. No, it's not pixie dust. It's something more tangible. It's, wait for it, baking soda. But before your eyebrows shoot to the ceiling thinking, is this just another internet fad? Let's deep dive into the world of baking soda for weight loss. By the end of this video, you might just find yourself rooting for this humble pantry staple. Baking soda is not just for baking. Ever opened your kitchen cabinet and found a forgotten box of baking soda gathering dust? Baking soda has been an ancient friend to homemakers everywhere. From cleaning to deodorizing to, well, baking. It's done it all. But weight loss? Now that's a new feather in its cap. Did you know a study from the University of Medical Sciences found that consuming baking soda can help neutralize stomach acid, aiding digestion? Now why is that important, you ask? Proper digestion can lead to better metabolism, and good metabolism is like a backstage pass to the weight loss concert. Number 1. Baking soda and lemon drink. Picture a sunny day, a zesty lemon squeezed into a glass, and then a dash of our star ingredient, baking soda. Sounds like the recipe for a refreshing drink, doesn't it? Lemon is not just a tangy fruit, it's packed with vitamin C and can give a much-needed boost to your metabolism. And when you pair it with baking soda, the dynamic duo can work wonders. To make this, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water and add a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix and drink on an empty stomach. So how about starting your day with a fizz? Ever thought weight loss could be bubbly? Number 2. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar concoction. Apple cider vinegar. Ah, the granddaddy of weight loss remedies. But mix it with baking soda? Now you're just creating a powerhouse. This combination not only aids weight loss, but can also help balance the body's pH levels. To whip this up, mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a pinch of baking soda in a glass of water. Wait till the fizz dies down, then gulp it down. Just remember to rinse your mouth afterwards because, while it's fab for your waistline, it's not the best for tooth enamel. Can you imagine the 2 biggest weight loss champions in your kitchen meeting for a duel? Who will win? Spoiler, it's your waistline. Number 3. Baking soda and green tea delight. Think of a calm morning, a gentle breeze, and a warm cup of green tea in your hand. Now what if you could supercharge that experience? Enter baking soda. Green tea with its antioxidants has long been a favorite for health aficionados. When combined with baking soda, the benefits amplify. Mix your brewed green tea with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, then sip slowly. As you drink, imagine all the fantastic health benefits coursing through your system. Is that a smile I see? Number 4. Baking soda smoothie. Trust us on this. Blenders at the ready? Let's make a weight loss smoothie that's a treat for the taste buds. Take your favorite fruits, berries, bananas, or even kiwis. Blend them together, add a cup of yogurt and a teaspoon of baking soda. Voila! A fizzy, fruity concoction that's as delightful to the palate as it is beneficial to the body. Imagine your favorite fruit doing the cha-cha with baking soda in a blender. Can weight loss get any groovier? Number 5. Plain baking soda water, for the purists. Sometimes it's good to go back to basics. No frills, no fuss. Just a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Chug it down on an empty stomach and let the magic begin. It might not be a carnival of flavors, but sometimes simplicity is the most powerful. Wondering how plain water can taste, well, not so plain? Take a sip and embark on this minimalist's dream journey. Number 6. Baking soda and grapefruit elixir. If you've ever felt like you wanted a fizzy soft drink but didn't want the calories that come with it, this one's for you. Grapefruits are not only tangy and delicious, but also known to boost metabolism. Here's what you need to do. Squeeze the juice of half a grapefruit into a glass, add a pinch of baking soda, and let the effervescence settle. Add water, stir, and drink. Not only does it quench your thirst, but you might also feel a bit like a wizard with all that fizz and pop. Magic potion, anyone? Number 7. Baking soda and ginger brew. Warm, spicy, and slightly pungent, ginger has been revered in various cultures for its health benefits. It aids digestion and boosts metabolism, making it a great ally for weight loss. When paired with baking soda, it's a gentle kickstart for your morning. To make this, grate a small piece of ginger into a cup of hot water. Once it's steeped, add a pinch of baking soda. The taste is invigorating, and as you sip, imagine all those gingerols, yes, that's a real term, and baking soda working together. It's like having a spa day, but for your insides. Number 8. Baking soda and mint cooler. Nothing screams refreshing more than mint, and when combined with baking soda, it's like a fresh mountain breeze for your digestive system. Blend a handful of mint leaves with a pinch of baking soda and a glass of water. The result? A refreshing, cool drink that's not just pleasing to the palate, but also aids in digestion. Picture yourself on a sweltering day with this drink in your hand, knowing that each sip is taking you one step closer to your weight loss goal. Heavenly, isn't it? Number 9. Baking soda and cucumber splash. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and are a favorite in many detox diets. Pair it with baking soda and it's hydration and detox in a glass. Slice a fresh cucumber and blend it until smooth. To this, add a glass of water and a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix, pour, and sip. With every gulp, visualize the toxins waving goodbye. By the end of the glass, you might just imagine them packing their bags and leaving for good. Number 10. Baking soda and berry burst. Berries are packed with antioxidants, and they taste amazing. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, take your pick. When combined with baking soda, it's a dance of flavors and health benefits. Blend your choice of berries into a smooth puree. Add a glass of water and a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and enjoy this berry fizzy delight. As you sip, think about the vibrant colors of the berries and how they're adding color to your health. Alright, all said and done, weight loss is a journey, and like every journey, it has its twists and turns. Baking soda might just be the surprise twist in your tale. Remember, as with any dietary change, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. What works wonders for one might not for another. But as we wrap this up, take a moment to imagine a world where weight loss is as easy as a trip to your kitchen cabinet. A world where the answer to your problems is hiding in plain sight. And who knows, by this time next year, that box of baking soda might just be your best friend. Stay fizzy, stay fabulous. Until next time, keep bubbling with health and happiness.